Good morning students. Today we are going to learn division of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. In the last class what we have learned, by using repeated subtraction we have seen. No? Here we are going to see division of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, how to divide that number without that repeated subtraction, how we are doing like that we are going to see. And in your book one example is given, that is Jabir and Abrar. They went to sweet shop. The Abrar asked Boluram, who is a sweet seller, to pack 96 pieces of rasamali. He tells Boluram to keep 8 pieces of rasamali in one box. Calculate the number of boxes needed for rasamali. So he is asking to pack 96 pieces of rasamali. In one box 8 pieces can be kept, like that he is saying. So we are going to find the number of boxes needed to pack all the 96 pieces now. So, you know to write the division sentence, no? Write that 96 divided by 8. So, this is the division sentence. Here we don't know the quotient, no? We are going to find that one only. Calculate the number of boxes needed for rasamali. You are going to find that one only. So, now you have to draw inverted L. So, write the dividend inside 96 and then write 8 outside, which is a divisor. And what I am doing is I am taking off 5 now. I am taking 5. Here 8 is no, you have to multiply the number, these two, quotient and the divisor should be multiplied. And here see, here 8 into 5, 8 5s are 40. 8, you have to say the tables of 8. And now after writing this you have to subtract the numbers. These two numbers should be subtracted. First in the ones place and then in the tens place. 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. So what I have done? First I have took 5 for 8. 8 5s are 40. So while I am writing this, while you are multiplying this number, you should get within this number. Within this number means it should be 96 or within that number. It may be 95 or 94 or 1 or 2, like that it can be. But it should be within this number while you are multiplying the quotient and the divisor. So I have taken as 5. 5 8s are 40. So the remaining I have got by subtracting this number, we have got as 56. So again I am taking 5. 5 8s are 40 because it is within this number, no, within that number only we have to multiply that number. So now we have to subtract this. 6 minus 0 is 6, 5 minus 4 is 1. And now I can't take 5 now because 5 8s are 40, which is beyond, no, beyond 16. So what we have to do, we have to say some other number multiplying by 8. 1 8 is 8. Then 2 8s are 16, no, here 16, which is equal to this number. So you have to take the tables of 8 dash 2. 2 8s are 16. So now subtract the number, you will get the answer as 0. So how will you get the answer? Means here we need quotient only, no. See the quotient what is given here, 5 plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So the answer is 12. The quotient is 12. So 12 boxes they need for rasamali. 12 boxes are needed to pack 96 pieces. So the answer is this. This is one way of doing. We can also take some other number instead of 5. So now we shall see to 10, okay. I am taking now 10, right, 96, which is a divided inside and the divisor outside. What I said, I am going to take 10 now, as I have taken 5 here, no, like that I am taking for 10 now. So see here, 10 8s are 80, which is within this number. 96, no, within that number only we have to come. The product should be within that, within this number 96. So I got as 80. Now subtract these two numbers. 6 minus 0 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. So now I got the number as 16. So now again I can't take as 10 or 5 I can't take. 5 8s means 40, which is beyond that. 8 3s are 24, which is also beyond this number. So now the tables of 2. 2 8s are 16. So now subtract the number, you will get a 0. So here also you will get the answer as 12. So 12 boxes are needed to pack 96 pieces. This is also one way of doing the division. Now we are going to see to another example. Jabir and Abrar also want to buy Raj book. Jabir asked Boluram to pack 66 pieces of Raj book with 4 pieces in one box. Find the number of boxes needed to pack Raj book. So he needs 66 pieces of Raj book and he asked to pack 4 pieces in one box. So we have to find the number of boxes needed. So to find that we have to do division only. So you know to write that 66 divided by, here what is given, 4 pieces. So you have to write as 466 divided by 4 and we have to find the quotient. How many boxes they need to fill 66 pieces of Raj book. In one box they can fill 4. So we are going to find this. First draw inverted L and write 66 inside because which is a dividend. So dividend should be written inside and the divisor should be written outside. The divisor is outside and the dividend is inside. And now I am going to take 5 tables. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 which is within this number. So I am taking that. And now subtract. 6 minus 0 is 6. You have to subtract this number. 6 minus 2 is 4. First in the ones place and in the tens place you have to subtract. And then again I can take 5 also because it is which is within this number. No, 5 4s are 20 means which within this number. So again I am taking 5 4s are 20. So here 6 minus 0 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. So again also I can take 5 because 20 is within this number 26. So I am taking 5. 5 4s are 20. So what is the answer? While you are subtracting you will get a 6. So now I cannot take again 5 because which is here see which will be greater than this number. 20 will be greater than the number. So I am saying the table of 4. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. So 8 means it will be beyond that. So 1 4 is 4. I am taking 1 4 is 4. So the remaining will be 2. The remaining is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So see to the quotient. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So the quotient is 16 and the remainder what we have got? We have got is 2. So write the remainder as 2. So this is one way of method and I am going to teach you in the easiest way that how to do it in the division method, that draw the same inverted L and write as 66 and write 4 outside. This is dividend and this is divisor. And first what we have to do is, this is ones place, no? This is ones place, this is tens place. First of all we have to check to the divisor here, that is 4, no? We have to take only tens place now first. First we have to take the tens place. Here the 4 is less than the number 6, right? 4 is less than the number 6. So you can take tens place alone. You can take only tens place alone at first. So now say the tables of 4. 1 4 is 4. So now subtract these two numbers alone, only in the tens place alone. First we have to check the divisor and the tens place number. So see here, while it is less than that number means which is 4 less than 6. The inside number in the tens place, no, which is less means you have to take only tens place alone and say the tables of 4. 1 4 is 4. Now subtract these two numbers alone, 6 and 4 alone. 6 minus 4 is 2. And here see, here 4 is greater than this number. 4 is greater than 2, no. So you can't say the table of 4. Then you can't say, see here 1 4 is 4 which is beyond that number. So you can't say that number. So you have to take the next place, ones place number you have to take. You have to take this number down. So now you got us 26. So now you can say the tables of 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. So which is within this number. 6 4s are 24. So now you can subtract this number, 26 minus 24. So first we have to subtract the number in the ones place and then only in the tens place. 6 minus 4 is 2. So see here, now the answer is 16. So what we have got here? 16. So we are going to follow this method only for the exercise problem. So for the whole chapter we are going to follow this method. First we have to check to the divisor and the tens place. So which is less than means you have to take tens place alone and then say the tables of 4. 1 4 is 4 and 5, you have to subtract these two numbers, you will get us 2. Here which is less than, which is greater than the number, no. So you have to take next place also, 6 also you have to take down and take these two numbers and say the tables of 4. So 6 4s are 24 and you have to subtract these two numbers. It is a 2-digit number, no, you have to subtract these two numbers in the ones place first and then in the tens place. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So here that we have got the remainder as 2. This is remainder. And here this is dividend. And this one is divisor, and here this is quotient. Here you have to clear about all of these. This is divisor and this is dividend, quotient and this is remainder. So how many boxes they need? 16 boxes. They need to pack 66 pieces of Rajbhog and remaining 2 are there. So this is what we have to do by division and we are going to follow this method only for the whole exercise. So now we shall try to exercise problem 8.2. First one is solve 95 divided by 5. We are going to divide the number and we are going to find the quotient now. So to find that we have to draw inverted L and write the dividend inside 95 and 5, which is a divisor, outside you have to write. So to find the quotient, what we have to do, we have to check to the dividends tens place and the divisor. So here tens place is 9, no, have to compare these two numbers 5 and 9. See here 5 is less than 9. So you can take only tens place alone, we can take now. So say the tables of 5, which should be, while you are saying to the tables of 5, the product should be within this number or it can be equal to that number. So say the tables of 5, 1, 5 is 5, 5 2s are 10, which is beyond that number, no. So you have to say before that 1 5 is 5. And now you have to subtract these two numbers only in the tens place alone. So 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is 4 and then take 5 down. So 45. So now 9 5s are 45. So the answer is 0. While you are subtracting, the remainder will be 0. 9 5s are 45 got, you are subtracting this number as you can got as 0. So here the answer is 19. We have solved the problem, that is division statement we have done. And here 88 divided by 8. So same thing only, draw the inverted L and write the dividend inside and the divisor outside. Now say the tables of 8 and first before that what you have to do, you have to check these two numbers which is equal to 8 is equal to 8. In the tens place you have to check 8 is equal to 8. So you can take the table, you can take only the tens place alone. So now say the tables 1 8 is 8, within that number it should be. So 8 minus 8 is 0 and here you can take 8. Now say the tables of 8 again. 1 8 is 8. So the answer is 0. So you have found the quotient as 11. And see to here 48 divided by 6. So you are going to do this as your homework. The same process only, have to write the dividend inside and the divisor outside and solve the problem. And see here 53 divided by 7. Draw the inverted L and write 53 inside. The dividend should be inside and the divisor should be outside. And now you have to check to the tens place and the divisor number. So which is greater than the tens place number in the dividend, no. So what we have to do is we have to take ones place also. Have to take ones place to the tens place also. So consider 53 now. So now say the tables of 7. 7 7s are 49. So that will be here. So which is within that. So here 49. So you are subtracting these two numbers. First you have to borrow the number from here and you have got as 1 before that number. So 13 minus 9, 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0 and you have got the remainder as 4 and the quotient as 7. Quotient is 7 and the remainder as 4. And now the next problem, 69 divided by 4, you are going to do this as your homework sum. And see to here, 63 children participate in a march fast. Their teacher asked them to line up in rows. If there are 3 children in each row, how many rows are there? So you can understand this question. If you don't understand, again please read it. So here what is given? They are doing march fast. The 63 children are doing march fast. In one row, how many children? 3 children. In each row, 3 children are there. So what you have to do? Write the division sentence, 63 divided by 3. And what we have to do? We have to do by this same way. Draw the inverted L and write 63 inside. The dividend should be written inside and write the divisor outside. And now say the tables of 3. Before that, what you have to do? We have to check to the tens place of the dividend, tens place and the divisor. So here check to that 6 and 3 and 6. So here 6 is greater, no? So what we have to do? We have to take only tens place alone. You have to take 6 alone and say the tables of 3 and you will get the answer. So do this as your homework, and I have given 3 problems, 1 and here 2 and the third problem. You are going to do these 3 problems as your homework. We can continue the rest of the problems in the next class. Thank you, students.